there, this is Sharo, and today I'm going to show you another way on how you can access your Microsoft applications and technologies. And specifically for this session, it would be our Microsoft Class Notebook. So what you can see on my screen now is one of the most common ways where we log in and access all the different apps and tools that we use in EPISD. And this will be the site called my.episd.org. Again, that website is called my.episd.org. So I'm using my Chrome as my internet browser, and as you can see, I'm already in this website, and it shows me the message, "Welcome to my EPISD." And from here, all I have to do, or all you have to do, would be to enter your username and your password. So my username and password, they are already reflected here in the field. So all I have to do is click Login. Now, once I click Login, it will bring me to this desktop. So this is something very familiar to all of us. It all depends on what we can view here, what we can see, or what we have access to based on our job codes. So you can see on the left-hand side, there's a lot of stuff here going on, a lot of different applications, and also our district services are listed here as well. So what you will have to do in order to access your Microsoft Apps and Technologies or your Office 365 would be looking on the left-hand column. And at the left-hand most side, you can see right under the symbol My EPISD would be the link called Office 365 Login. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. So once I click that, another tab opens in my internet browser, which, by the way, I'm using Chrome. And right off, it connects me to my Microsoft Office Home. So from here, you can see a lot of the different apps and tools that we have access to as EPISD employees. But for this particular recording, we are focusing on how to access our class notebook. So this is the symbol for your, or the icon for your Microsoft Class Notebook. So as simple as that. Our next video, I will be showing you on how to use your class notebook.